Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and getting the app installed. Pick the Journal app, tap Install, and watch permissions closely. Storage and microphone enable backup and voice notes. Create or sign into an account so entries sync across devices, and set a PIN or two-step verification to protect private notes. Once done, open the new journal and tap New Entry. You're ready to start writing. This preserves privacy and enables automatic sync. You now structure how you will capture content. Start by creating a template, title, prompts, tags, and a folder. This saves time later. Add an entry, type the body, attach photos or a voice memo, and tag mood or location for easy retrieval. Make sure autosave is enabled so nothing is lost, and set sync preferences, Wi-Fi only if you want to limit data use. Once this structure is consistent, search and review become fast and reliable. You finish by locking in maintenance and recovery plans. Schedule daily or weekly reminders to write, set export cadence for monthly archives, and enable encrypted backups so your history is safe. Test a restore to a second device to confirm recovery works. If something goes wrong, first clear the app cache, confirm all permissions are granted, and update the app or Android. This fixes most sync or save issues. If problems persist, contact support with a clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.